She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is going to be a classic recipe. We're going to go ahead and make a meatloaf, classic meatloaf, but we're going to put a bourbon glaze on top of this meatloaf. That's going to be fantastic. So we're going to make a bourbon glazed meatloaf. So these are the ingredients that we'll be using today for this bourbon glazed meatloaf. All these ingredients are going to come together well to make us a fantastic meatloaf that might be one of your new favorite glazes or sauces, if you want to say, that you like to put on top of your meatloaf, or maybe even on top of something else. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the bourbon glazed meatloaf, a nice little twist on the classic meatloaf. We did make that homemade bourbon glaze that just sets this meatloaf off perfectly. Definitely give this one a try, you guys. Hopefully you did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you do enjoy meatloaf. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.